As the longest-lasting vehicle in its class, the 2019 Impreza Premium has all the features of the Impreza 2.0i base model, plus even more style and features. Achieving up to 38 highway mpg with standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, the Impreza is a rare combination of great fuel economy and outstanding capability. It pairs a balanced 4-cylinder direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine with a smooth Lineartronic CVT, featuring manual mode paddle shifters for more control when you want it. The Premium also offers 16-inch alloy wheels, heated, body-color side mirrors, and standard roof rails or crossbar mounting points for more storage up top. There are 60/40 split flat-folding rear seatbacks with plenty of storage options. There are also 7 standard airbags, including a driver's knee airbag to help keep you safe in the event of a crash. Also standard is Subaru STARLINK Safety and Security, which can promptly send first responders in an emergency, and now includes service appointment scheduling, concierge services, vehicle alerts, and more. Available safety features include EyeSight driver assist technology, blind spot detection with lane change assist, and rear cross traffic alert that offers peace of mind for your daily drive. Inside, you'll find a roomy, cloth-upholstered interior with conveniences like heated front seats and auto on-off headlights. Subaru STARLINK Multimedia with a 6.5-inch touchscreen is there as well, featuring standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Sirius XM All-Access Radio and Travel Link, STARLINK cloud-based apps, HD radio, and a CD player. You'll also enjoy an available power moonroof overhead with a wide open view. To learn about the next model in the lineup, the Impreza Sport, click the link on your screen.